Hello friends, this is a crochet baby booties suitable for 1 year's baby girl. This is a very beautiful and easy project. You can make it easily. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and like my Facebook page, The Crochet World. In this pattern I am using two color of worsted weight yarn and one 3 mm crochet hook, and this is a off-white color yarn and one red color yarn. Let us start. First I am making the sole of this bootie. So makes one slip knot and make 13 plus 2 or 3 16 foundation chains. This is a length of this bootie, length of this sole. .5 inch is suitable for 1 year's baby girls sole size. So here I am taking total 16 foundation chains. Then I am going to the third chain from my hook and make one double crochet. Make 4 double crochet in the same stitch, 3 and one more 4. Then you make one double crochet in each stitch. In the last stitch I am making the same 5 double crochet. Then this is the last stitch. I am making total 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more, total I have 4 double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet in each stitch. You complete this round in this way. Now this is a first round. Here I have joined it with together with slip stitch and go to the center of this sole and start working with the 2 double crochet, 3 chain, counter chain first DC, one more DC in the same stitch. Then go to the next stitch, make 1 double crochet and then go to the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. Then go to the next stitch with 1 double crochet. And now I am making one double crochet in the next all stitches, and this is another corner of this sole. So make 2 DC in each first stitch, then go to the next stitch with 1 DC, then go to the next stitch with 2 DC stitch, then go to the next stitch only 1 DC stitch. You repeat this stitch in the another side of this sole. You can increase your stitches in this way. I have come you will completed your second round this way, and I have completed my second round. For third round, go to the center and make 2 double crochet. Then 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Go to the next stitch with 2 double crochet. Go to the next stitch with 1 double crochet. Next stitch with 2 double crochet, and then you make 1 double crochet in each stitch. And you repeat the same stitch in the other side also. I have completed my booty sole, and now I am change my color of yarn. I am using off-white color yarn. Now I am measure the length of this sole. Here the perfect length is 4.5. You can see the measurement. Now I am attaching my off-white color yarn and go to the next round. This is a top part of this booty, so you make 1 slip knot and attach this yarn with slip stitch in the back side loop of the previous round. Then make 2 more chain, counter the first double crochet, and then make 1 double crochet in the every back stitch loop and go to the back stitch. One DC in each back stitch loop. Complete this round in this way. Do not increase any stitches in this round. Now I am making the next round 3 chain, counter the first DC stitch. Then I am going to the front side. You insert your hook in the front side of the next DC stitch. Then go to the another stitch and you insert your hook in the back side of the stitch. You repeat this stitch in this round. One DC stitch in front side, one another DC stitch in back side DC stitch. You repeat this stitch in this round. You do not increase any stitches. Now I am completing 2 to 3 rounds, and then I am making the going to the next round. And this is a front part of this booties. Here I have decreased my stitches, so you insert wrap your yarn over your hook and insert hook in the back side stitch and 2 loops in my hook, and then you insert your hook in the front side stitch and make 3 loops and you make it 1, and you repeat the same process in 5 to 6 times only. You decrease your stitches in this way, and you remove your marker to side. This is a front side of this booty. Remove your marker and then you make 1 DC in each stitch. Then you continue repeat the same pattern, same stitch in the next round. You decrease your stitches in the next round also, and now I am decreasing my stitches. You repeat the same stitch. Decrease your stitches in this method. You decrease your stitches only the front side of this booty. Do not decrease any stitches in the back side. Now I am making 4 single crochet in next 4 stitches, and after that you decrease your stitches. You decrease your 1 stitch next stitch, and then chain single crochet and the next 4 stitches, then decrease your next stitch, repeat the same stitch in this round, then chain single crochet, 4 single crochet and the next 4 stitches, then decrease your stitches, go to the next round, make 1 slip stitch in every stitch. Now I am attaching one flower in the center of this booty. So let us start how to make this small size flower. I am using 2 color of yarns for this flower. First make 1 slip knot and make 5 foundation chains. Join it together with slip stitch. Then make 3 chain, count as a first double crochet stitch. Make 2 more double crochet stitch in the same ring. Then 2 chain. Then I am going to the same ring or circle and make 3 double crochet stitch. Then 2 chain. You repeat the same stitch in 5 times. Here I have completed my 5 round and join it together with slip stitch, and then I am attaching my red color yarn and make 1 single crochet or slip stitch. You go to the center of the flower and make 1 single crochet, then 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, then 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. Then I am going to the center of this flower and make 1 single crochet, then go to the next stitch, make 1 chain, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 chain. Then I am going to the center of this flower and make 1 single crochet. You complete this round in this way. This is a very simple and beautiful flower. You can make it easily, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please like my video, share my videos with your friend circle. I need your support. Please support me, and thanks for watching my video, and subscribe my channel, The Crochet World. Thanks for watching.